Two AI tools just changed everything. Gemini 3.1 Pro from Google, Kimi K2.5 from Moonshot AI. One thinks like a genius, one builds like a machine. Together, they automate your entire business, front end, back end, content, all of it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use them, real prompts, real examples. And trust me, you don't want to miss the part where one prompt turns a sketched wireframe into a fully deployed web page in minutes. Today, we are talking about two of the most powerful AI tools available right now, Gemini 3.1 Pro and Kimi K2.5. And we are not just going to talk about them, we are going to use them together to build something real, something that actually grows a business. Gemini is the brain, Kimi is the builder, and when you put them together, you get a full automation engine. Using Gemini for strategy and planning. Head over to Google AI Studio, it's free to start, open a new prompt. Now here's your first example using the AI Profit Boardroom. Type this prompt into Gemini. You are a conversion copywriter, write a full landing page strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom. This is a premium AI automation community. The goal is to get more members, write a punchy headline, a sub-headline, 3 key benefits, a features section, a social proof section, and a strong CTA. Keep the language simple and direct. What comes back is incredible. A full page strategy, headlines, benefits, structure, all of it in about 30 seconds. That's work that used to take hours with a copywriter. Try this prompt. Map out a full onboarding automation flow for a new member joining the AI Profit Boardroom. Include trigger events, email sequence steps, tagging logic, and follow-up touchpoints. Make it simple and step-by-step. Now you have a full automation blueprint. The thinking is done. Gemini handled it. If you want to go deeper on AI automation workflows, like the ones we're building right now, come join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. That's our premium community for people who are serious about using AI to grow their business faster. We break down the tools, share the templates, and build real systems together. It is not theory, it is hands-on, practical automation that you can plug straight into your business. Take the landing page strategy that Gemini wrote, paste it into Kimi, then add this instruction. Turn this into a fully working HTML landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Make it clean, modern, and high converting. Use a bold hero section, clear benefit blocks, a testimonials area, and a strong CTA button. Output the full HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Kimi builds it, a complete working web page from text in seconds. Sketch a rough wireframe on paper, take a photo, upload it to Kimi, then say, build a landing page based on this wireframe for the AI Profit Boardroom. Include a hero section, a benefits section, a testimonial section, and a CTA. Make it clean and professional. And Kimi reads your sketch and builds the page from it. That's visual to code. It sounds like science fiction. It's just Tuesday now. Here is where Kimi becomes something else entirely. Agent Swarm. This feature lets Kimi run multiple AI agents at the same time, each working on a different task. No waiting, no doing things one by one, all of it at once. Here's a real example for the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's say you want a full content push this week. You need a blog post, you need 3 emails, you need 5 social captions, you need a short lead magnet PDF. Normally that takes days. With Agent Swarm, you set up the tasks and they all run in parallel. One agent writes the blog post on the top 5 AI automation tools this month. Another drafts your welcome email sequence for new members. Another creates social captions about the AI Profit Boardroom for LinkedIn and Twitter. Another puts together a 1-page PDF guide on getting started with AI automation. All of it at the same time. That is what 100 agents working in parallel looks like. It's a full content team inside one tool.